Hi, this is Griffin with Huisen Furniture. Today we're going to be building the Your Zone 4-cube organizer. This is the white finish and it can be found on walmart.com or in stores. Before you start, you want to make sure that none of your panels have any damage and that you have all of your hardware. If you have any issues, you can call the number on the front of the manual. It will get you taken care of. If everything is in order, then we can begin assembly. For step 1, you need your 2 A panels, 2 D panels, and your C panel. You also need 10 of these plastic dowel pieces. These are labeled number 2. And 2 of these longer plastic dowel pieces, which are labeled number 3. So to start, we can grab our C panel and 2 of the shorter plastic dowel pieces. We will then insert 1 plastic dowel piece into each end of the panel. There will be a pre-drilled hole in the middle of each side. Next, we can grab our 2 A panels and we will do the same thing with these small plastic dowel pieces. Insert them into the middle pre-drilled hole on the edge. Next, we will grab one of our D panels and on one of the unfinished edges, insert 2 plastic dowel pieces into the outer 2 pre-drilled holes. And then lastly, on our next D panel, insert 2 of your smaller plastic dowel pieces into the outer 2 pre-drilled holes. Flip it around and insert those 2 longer plastic dowel pieces into the outer 2 pre-drilled holes. You may need to use a hammer to get them to the desired length. For step 2, we're going to keep those same panels, your 2A, 2D, and 1C. Here we're going to grab one of our A panels and then the D panel with wooden dowels on each side. Insert those shorter plastic dowels into the A panel. Then slide the C panel into those longer plastic dowel pieces. Next, grab your D panel and insert those long plastic dowel pieces into the empty side of the D panel. And then lastly, grab your A panel. In step 3, you're going to need your 2 B panels, 12 of your screw 1s, and 12 of these caps, which are labeled 6. You will then find the side of the B panel with the most pre-drilled holes, and then go ahead and slide it on to the assembly. Next, secure with 6 of your screws. We're going to repeat this with this other B panel. After you've attached all of the screws, you can then cover them up with the caps. For step 4, go ahead and grab your 2 E back panels. Be sure to attach these back panels because it's very important for the stability of the unit. You will then go ahead and line up the corners as best as you can and then nail into those pre-drilled perforated holes on the panels. So in step 5, we can then set our unit up resting on top of one of the A panels, and so the B panels are on the sides. We will then want to grab our safety assembly. This step is very important to keep the unit from falling over onto your young kids. So you want to insert the washer or the screw into the washer and then insert that into the bracket. Then you will want to put the unit up against a wall and simply screw this into the unit however far it takes to get to the wall. Whenever you've done that, your unit is complete.